Prime Minister the Most Honourable Andrew Holness has informed that the government is looking to redevelop the town of Ocho Rios in St. Anne to accommodate its rapid growth. In terms of the size of the investment we are looking to make, it's in the billions of dollars. So it is a huge investment, and the reason for that is because the entire town of Ocho Rios is being looked at for redevelopment, Mr. Holness said. I know you, the citizens, see that your town is growing. A lot of people are coming into your town. A lot of housing developments are going on around the town. And just outside of the town, we see some other areas developing as well, he added. Mr. Holness further stated that the infrastructure that is here cannot carry all the activities that you have, so we are going to have to do some really serious investments. And the first investment that we need to make in improving your town is improving the market. The Prime Minister was addressing vendors and other stakeholders during a tour of the Ocho Rios market on Friday, June 21st. Mr. Holness said the plans to upgrade the market and transportation center will be put into effect in short order. For the last 5 years, we have been refining a plan which will see the upgrade of the market and the upgrade of transportation center, and not just the clothes and the food market. But we also have to do something for the craft markets, he outlined.